chef hit, guys. Yeah. Hey, tell them when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with the chef guys. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they think I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma and my apron, I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. Just roll a dice and with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef it dice, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef it dice, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, you right. Chef it dice, yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again. It's Good Kitchen. So we have our boneless, skinless chicken thighs right here. We're about to make a delicious meal out of them. We have our pasta noodles, whole grain noodles. We'll do some creamy noodles with some vegetables, some broccoli mixed with the noodles. Nice and creamy. Probably a little cheese on that. So what I have right here, I have some vegetable oil. I have 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. We're gonna add some butter. Okay, so we have a whole stick of butter. Salt the butter. Alright, so we'll give it a nice little seasoning. And then we'll go put the top on there and we'll let it cook. Okay, so our water is boiling. Now we're gonna add our noodles. I have a tablespoon of vegetable oil so the noodles won't stick. And it's on medium, cooking on medium. Alright, so we're gonna make our little creamy sauce. We have a little bit of butter in there. We'll add a little bit of milk, regular milk. That's regular milk, and then we got the heavy whipped cream. Okay, so I'm gonna start, once it starts boiling a little bit, we're just gonna start until it thicken up. Okay, so you see how it's boiling? Now you just wanna keep your eyes on it. And just keep on stirring it. Now we're gonna add the rest of this mozzarella cheese. I'm gonna check this chicken out, let it cool down some, and go chop it up into little pieces. And we'll add it with the cream. Alright, so see how we looking? See how it's getting thick? you want. Right there. Okay. Got some Italian seasoning. Mix it in like so. Now we're gonna add our chicken. Mix that chicken in. Then we'll add our pasta. You want to eyeball it, because it is a lot of pasta. So I let my pasta boil for 9 minutes. On the box it said 10. So we'll let it cook for like a couple minutes in this pasta. Creamy. Well, it's cream anyway. Okay. And we'll add some more of them noodles. Okay, so we're gonna add a little more milk. Sour cream. If you want, you can leave this out. But it's all will come together with one delicious flavor. So don't knock until you try it. Okay, mix that in. Now we're gonna add our broccoli. And a little more seasoning. So that's how we looking. So I'm gonna let this cook for like, everything cook for like 5 to 8 minutes. And we'll get this food on a nice plate. Okay, so we have that made cheddar cheese. We're gonna let it melt. And we'll get it on a nice plate. Okay, so here we go right here. I done made it happen. Looking fire, huh? We have that chicken creamy noodles with that broccoli. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button. So I did my thing in the kitchen. Now that I had a good time filming with y'all, don't forget to hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.